Hi everyone, how you doing today? Happy weekend and welcome to my YouTube channel today. So today we are here to talk about food businesses you can do in 2025. Okay, so when we mention food businesses, people think it's just by raising your pot to start cooking and you'll start selling food, or you have to um open a restaurant and start selling food everywhere. So I'm going to be mentioning food businesses you can do in 2025 without no stress. So come along with me while we make all the statements possible, especially in African countries, or let me say for my location, especially in Nigeria here. So you can make money from these food businesses. Just know your market and know um, where to get the right product from the wholesalers, from the farmers directly. So number five is going to be very important. So you listen and listen good. So yes, I'm here to say welcome everybody, and this is Barbecue Rare Kitchen. So the first one on the list. So I'm going to tell you a story. On my way to the market, and I went to get something. So I was very tested. So I met a guy who is an entrepreneur who sells sugarcane juice. And after so many conversations, I found out that this guy makes nothing less than 10,000 naira every day. That's about let's say $5. I don't know how to change it in other currencies right now. But this guy makes up to 20,000 naira every day. Let me say as profits. Let me put it that way, as profits. He makes 10,000 naira. Sometimes more than that. So I found out that this sugarcane business is a very lucrative business. All you just have to do is just to have the machine, because I believe when you have industrial machine that extract the juice, all you have to do is just get a container, put the juice, and then put it inside the cooler while it refrigerates, and people take it. And for one bottle, he sells it for 1.5, so 2,000. For the liter, for 5 liters, he sold it for like 10,000 naira. And this thing I'm telling you, they are sold that on the spot. So that's the first business I know that is very lucrative, somebody can do. Then number two, you can also be a juice vendor selling all kinds of juice. All you have to do is go to the right market and buy directly from the farmers that came to put all the things in the market. And I'm going to be listing the market for you. Number one, if you're in Lagos, you can go to Iyanova market. That market is the fruit market. You can go to my 12. If you can't go to my 12, look for Lusada market close to Agbara. These are for people who are in Nigeria, Lagos currently and want to start a food business. Then number two business you can do. Everything I'm going to do, I'm going to be placing a video up here so that you can see them. Now the next one is fufu business. That's cassava. So I personally, my mom has this business and I've been into this business. There's no stress in this business. When I tell you there's no stress, there's no stress in this business. And trust me, from the suppliers my mom has, will make nothing less than at times 20 to 16,000 naira every day when you have the right supplier. And I'm trying to see how I can move this business to online. Do you understand? To start selling this fufu online. And trust me, is a money making business on its own. Like you make your own money without any stress, because the machine is already there. Like you can see my video, this machine, all I just need, I'll just put the cassava, the raw one inside it, put a fresh one, mix it together. The machine gets to mix everything, and then I put it back in the fire for it to cook properly, and the machine does everything. All I have to do is just to bring it out, place them in the container, or tie them in the nylon, and then ship them out for selling for those who will sell, and for restaurants or food vendors that sells food. That's three, right? The fourth one is those who sell raw food ingredients. Those who sell, there's a lot of money in frozen food, especially if you have cold room. Those that are in cold room that sells food, fishes, chickens. Do you know that most of the time they tell you chickens? Do you know that there's one secret business I learned last year? Do you know that people go to the farm, the poultry, buy chickens, old layers or some layers, cut them into tiny pieces and package them and put them as food room and sell it for you as normal packaged kitchen. It's a pure business. This is business. Now the next one again is poultry farming. There is money in poultry business. Hear what I said again. I'm saying it again. There's money in poultry business. Yes, there's no business that does not have the